Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
A national emergency. That's how Prime Minister Andrew Holness has described the current state of the island's roads as he allocates an additional $2 billion for road patching.
Mr. Holness says he will be using emergency powers to ensure the road work begins immediately. It comes as the government signs the contract today for the $45 billion Spark program.
Kelisha Williams has our story.
Driving on the roads has become a living nightmare for many Jamaicans over the past few weeks. While the road conditions were already bad, frequent heavy rain made things worse. Potholes have become craters, transforming daily commute into an obstacle course. At the contract signing for the Spark program Thursday morning, this response from Prime Minister Andrew Holness.
The government is now announcing a further $2 billion Jamaican dollars to be spent on our main road network for patching and reinstating the roads to drivable conditions.
Mr. Holness described the current state of the road network island-wide as a national emergency, and as such,
this will be done following the law as well, using emergency procurement rules. We expect that the work will begin immediately.
As for the Spark program, with the $45 billion road repair contract signed with China Harbour Engineering Company checked today, Mr. Holness said work will begin this month, starting in St. Andrew. The two-year project is primarily focused on restoring community roads and some main roads across all 63 constituencies. In the first phase,
today, we will be signing 4 contracts in the aggregated total of $36,590,285 Jamaican dollars. The 4 packages are as follows. Package 1, Kingston, St. Andrew and St. Thomas. Package 2, St. Catherine and Clarendon. Package 3, Manchester, St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland and Hanover. And package 4, St. James, Trelawney, St. Anne, St. Mary and Portland.
While Mr. Holness did not declare the specific date when work will begin under Spark, persons were directed to the new sparkjamaica.gov.jm website, which will be updated with the schedule.
It will give the public access to all publicly available documents related to the Spark program. For example, the contract that we're signing is a public document, so it can go on the website. The roads that will be repaired will go on the website. We'll also put on the website eventually all the roads that we have assessed on the Spark will also go.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.